Good afternoon, dear students. Good afternoon, all. And in the last class, I completed the chapter one, chapter one, and I had to given some notes to write you all on your WhatsApp group, and they told to complete the notes and the exercise from the NCERT book. And today I will check that things. So after checking, we'll start our next class. So first, you before the class of the 30 minutes, you send your notes and exercise questions here WhatsApp. So let's start the today's start our new chapters. So today start the new chapters of that. That is the chapters from the chapter 6. It's from the biology subject, and biology the first chapters is the what life processes. I told that the three parts is there, the science for the physics, chemistry, and biology. So already I learned the one chapter from the chemistry. Next come to the second chapter. We learn from the what the learn from the biology. Let's start. So life processes, before going to the life processes, you knowing about the what is life and what is alive. So life किसे कहते हैं? The most important criteria to decide whether something is alive is the movement. So where is the what is life? Those things which have that no particular definition of life. Okay, अगर होगा तो there is no particular definition of life, but you can define the life through their characteristics. Through their characteristics, what the characteristics? They can move. That is means those who have life, they can move without the help of any external help. Those things which have ability to move, that is called they have the lives. It is the one characteristics of the what lives. Then some movement easily visible, like movement of body parts. कुछ movement आपको easily you can observe, that is the body part movements, but some movements you are not easily visible, like molecular movements. Molecular movements you cannot see them in the naked eye, and the molecular movement cells and tissues is necessary for the life processes. So molecular movement inside the body जो होता है, it's also necessary for the what life processes. So the life means those there's no particular definition of life, but it can define the lives of through their characteristics. How? Because they can breathe, they can move, they can reproduce. These are the life processes. These are the what life processes. So let's knowing about the what are the life processes. So during the life period, they continue some basic processes in the living organism which are necessary for maintaining their life. And these basic life processes are what are that is called life processes. So these basic life processes are what? One is the nutrition, respiration, transportation, and excretion. So these are the different life processes. So life processes are basic process in living organism which are necessary for maintaining their lives. The basic life processes are nutrition, respiration, transportation and excretion. ये life processes सब होता है during the life में. अगर नहीं होगा तो the organism cannot alive. वो जीवित नहीं रहेगा. तो फर्स्ट इज द न्यूट्रिशन. तो शॉर्टकटली फर्स्ट knowing about the definition of nutrition, the process in which the taking of food by organism and its utilization by the body for the life processes. The nutrition किसे कहेंगे? What is the taking of food? So what is nutrition? The taking of food by an organism, that is called nutrition. That is called the word nutrition. And second is the word respiration. Respiration means the process by which the food is burnt in cell of the body with the help of oxygen to release energy. तो respiration में क्या होता है? जो आप लोग breathing करते हैं, इसमें what happen? The food is burnt. Food जो आप खाते हैं वो burnt होता है in the presence of oxygen and release the energy. जब आप खाना खाते हैं तो आपको energy मिलता है. फिर 5 घंटे के बाद फिर भूख लगता है, energy loss होता है, फिर आप खाते हैं तो आपको energy मिलता है. This energy, how you get the energy? जो आप फूड खाते हैं वो बर्न होता है, वो शरीर के अंदर जलता है, मतलब ब्रेक डाउन होता है. बर्न मतलब ब्रेक डाउन होके वो किसके प्रेजेंस में ब्रेक डाउन होता है? ऑक्सीजन में. एंड दैट रिलीज सम एनर्जी. तो वो एनर्जी का आपको बॉडी में मिलता है. द नेक्स्ट इज द ट्रांसपोर्टेशन. ट्रांसपोर्टेशन इज द प्रोसेस बाय विच the food, oxygen, water, waste product that carried from one part body to the another part. Transportation means they carry something from one place to another place. So here is the word transportation, that is the carries of food, oxygen, water and other product from one part to another part. तो एक पार्ट से दूसरे पार्ट को ये पहुंचता है, ये सारी चीज कैसे पहुंचता है? थ्रू द ब्लड्स. तो कैसे होता है ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, ये हम डिटेल्स पढ़ेंगे इन दिस चैप्टर में. द नेक्स्ट क्या है? एक्सक्रीशन. एक्सक्रीशन इज द प्रोसेस बाय व्हिच वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट आर रिमूव फ्रॉम द बॉडी. जो वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट रहता है हमारे बॉडी में, जो रिमूव होता है, जो हम लोग का अनवांटेड चीज है, वो रिमूव होता है बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ व्हाट? एक्सक्रेशन. बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ व्हाट? एक्सक्रेशन. तो ये सारा जो चीज हम लोग लाइफ प्रोसेस में कैसे होता है, ये सब हम डिटेल्स पढ़ेंगे यही चैप्टर में. तो फर्स्ट चीज जो बताइए अभी, न्यूट्रिशन. न्यूट्रिशन कैसे होता है? बाय डाइजेस्टिव प्रोसेस. डाइजेशन में कैसे होता है, ये लर्न दैट. रेस्पिरेशन. रेस्पिरेशन कैसे होता है ह्यूमन बीइंग में? रेस्पिरेशन इन बोथ केसेस ऑफ प्लांट और एनिमल. ये सारा जो लाइफ प्रोसेसेस जो है, हम दो लाइफ प्रेजेंट है जिसमें प्लांट्स में और एनिमल्स में. तो दोनों पार्ट में किस तरह से न्यूट्रिशन होता है, इस तरह रेस्पिरेशन होता है, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन होता है, एक्सक्रीशन, ऑल द इन केस ऑफ प्लांट और एनिमल, दोनों के बारे में इस चैप्टर में पढ़ेंगे. ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कैसे होता है? थ्रू द, आप एनिमल्स का यहाँ दिया है, थ्रू द आपको सर्कुलरी सिस्टम्स दिया है, उसमें किस तरह होते हैं वो पढ़ेंगे. और एक्सक्रीशन थ्रू द किडनीज से कैसे होता है एक्सक्रीशन, ये हम पढ़ेंगे इन दिस चैप्टर में. So thank you. This just today's our introductions our class. So in the previous, so today I told that word, the what is life and how the life is know, that is from their characteristics. And next in the knowing that the word, the different life processes. So in the next class we details start our topic. The first is the word nutrition. So thank you. Have a good evening. Take care. Stay home and stay safe.